Hello guys, the name is Ophelia. Welcome back to my channel. I give advices on self-development, mental health, building yourself, upgrading your life, etc. And today I will tell you 3 very simple steps for getting over a crush. These 3 steps are literally all you will need. You can find all the ways you want on the net, but if you can do these 3 steps, done, over. You might even just get over the person by doing 2 of these steps, okay? It is that simple. Crushes are the easiest to get over out of all things possible, like literally, okay? I got over my crush in 1 week, literally. Out of all sort of circumstances, situations, friendships, breakups, etc., crushes are the easiest. And the reason for that is, well, crushes are just one part on the spectrum of all the romantic interests, okay? Crushes are insecure, okay? What does being insecure mean? So basically, you are not whole in yourself. You are giving people from a half cup, which means you have low self-esteem, and basically you're finding someone to complete you, okay? Even if you do not feel like it. Because if you have a crush, you have some insecurity you need to get over, okay? Being secure is when your cup is full, and when you're giving from that sort of place, there is no way you will be obsessing over a person in the way that you're putting them on a pedestal. The fact that you're putting somebody on a pedestal and placing them above you is an insecurity, okay? And we will learn how to get over it. So the first one is start seeing them realistically, okay? If the reason you're placing them on a pedestal is because you're just not being realistic about it, it's a story you've weaved in your head. You're more in love with the imagination of this person in your head, this fantasy, than the person himself. You have an insecure attachment to this person because of that. Understand that this person has done all of the embarrassing things you have done. You have ever fallen on the stage, so has your specific person. You have ever got insecure about your looks, so has your specific person. Everything that is insecure, your specific person has also done that, okay? Start seeing your specific person's flaws. Start seeing them realistically. Start seeing your crushes from a realistic point of view. You know why crushes cannot be love? Simply because you are more obsessed with the image in your head than actually this person. When you actually start accepting the flaws of that person and you still like that person, that is a place where it might be something more. It doesn't mean that it's love per se, but it can be something more than a crush, or it may be something different than a crush. But either ways, this video is for how to get over crushes. So number 1, take them off the pedestal by seeing them realistically and seeing their flaws and seeing that they're just a normal person, okay? Number 2, you can take them off the pedestal by bringing them down, or you can get on the pedestal by bringing yourself up. So basically what I mean here is that the reason you have a crush on somebody is because there is a quality in them that you subconsciously see that you actually wished you had in yourself. So basically, I was always attracted to arrogant guys earlier, okay? The reason was with arrogance came confidence. I was not confident in my abilities at all. But when I saw these people being so confident, I wanted that trait in myself. But when it is manifesting, like it is just something, subconsciously, okay? So it's manifesting in form of a crush. So when I was not aware of what exactly I like in this person, I thought I liked this person, okay? But actually, it's something in that person. It's some trait or traits in that person that you like, that you wish you had in yourself. Identify these traits and then work on yourself to actually get these traits. Make a list of them. If there are many traits, imagine how that trait would manifest in the best version of you and try to become that best version. Do not try to become him, okay? And the third one is, do not see them or talk to them for 2 weeks. Yes, you heard me right. Out of sight, out of mind. You're just working on yourself for these 2 weeks. That's it. The reason you're begging to be with this person is because of all those chemicals in your head, okay? It's more because of that dopamine hit you're getting when you see this person, okay? It's more because of the excitement it brings to you. But trust me, in 2 weeks, those dopamine levels will go down. The oxytocin will stop driving you crazy. Trust me, it's just a chemical in your head. This person is not even that good. It's what you have made him out to be in your head. So really, it's all perception, okay? If you like a person, it's because you have that quality inside you. So I had romantic feelings for this person, okay? And I was very, very secure at that time. Like genuinely, I was so secure. Even when he said no, I was like, you know what? I really enjoyed this and I really learned from this. And he has really taught me so much just without even being in a relationship with him, that I appreciate it anyway. You start appreciating the process when you're giving from such a place. When you're giving from such a place of purity, you will simply not feel bad. You will be able to see things more rationally. You will be able to see if they meet your standards instead of you seeing that if you meet theirs, okay? But when I got insecure, these romantic feelings, they converted into a crush. And I suddenly started getting insecure about this person. And I was like, why isn't he texting me? Why isn't he doing this? Why isn't he doing that? And then I realized it was simply a crush. And guess what? In the next 2 hours, done. I was over him. So, if you can see a trait, some quality, if you can like a person from that way, it's just your perception. It's just your beauty. Okay? End of the day, crushes are just your perception. And trust me, when you reach a certain stage of security, you will stop having crushes. You will have a lot more fulfilling romantic interests. So yeah, that's it. Take them off the pedestal, put yourself there by seeing them realistically and by upgrading your life, and take a detox of 2 weeks from them. Yep, that's it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this helped you in some way. Give it a like, subscribe if this helped. Comment down below how it goes. Follow my Instagram for more such tips. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.